about when kids can't reflect on their behavior and what you can do about it. Reflection is a powerful tool. We never come home, sit down on the sofa and say, how did that go today? How did that shopping trip go today? Did I find the oatmeal in the right aisle? But really, when you think about it, that's true reflection. It's kind of a form of metacognition. Do I understand how I learn? Am I thinking about how I'm thinking? And if we want that high level of executive function, then we've got to start having reflection time in our classrooms. Reflection circle. With littles, I like to do it twice a day. With older kids, I'll do it at the end of the day. With my class that changes every 50 or 60 minutes, I do it for the last 2 minutes. Guys, just sit 2 minutes, reflect. How'd this class go? What's the rest of your day going to look like? If you don't start using the word reflection and teaching them how to do it, they will just go through their day, never really self-checking how things went for them and how they might change things up in the future. Thanks for watching. Remember to hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment.